Trx rows. Grab your straps, lean back, walking your feet as far forward as you are capable of doing. Set your posture, so you want to have a nice straight line through your body. We want to avoid any thrusting forward of the hips or any rocking back of the hips, creating a pendulum motion that generates momentum that takes away from the isolation of the middle back. Notice the body position stays nice and stable. At the peak of the movement here, the chest is up and the shoulders are sucked back and down away from the ears. There's no shrugging, and then there's no caving in of the chest at the top of the movement. This will ensure that you get a nice pinch through that middle back, and you should also feel the biceps in this exercise as well. An easy way to make this exercise easy would simply walk your heels back a little bit further, changing the body angle to a higher angle, putting less body weight tension on the straps.